Okay, this is Bobby Norman with Norman Plumbing. I'm Marie Norman, and I'm making this video. This is what you do not do with a basket that goes in your sink, kitchen sink. This right here is a washer that does not go on flush with the basket. It goes on underneath the kitchen sink. What you put on is plumber's putty. It goes all the way around. More is always good because you'll have left over that you can reuse for a later time. Goes all the way around, like so. Put it on there real good. Like so.
Hi guys, how you doing?
And that's Bobby Norman. And you clean around the sink where the basket is going to go. Get all the debris and everything off. And make sure it's dry. Around the area where the putty is going to go. Now you place the basket in where it's going to go. We're reusing the homeowner's basket because that's what they wanted to do. Now with the new gasket right here in this package that the homeowner supplied, you do not use the paper gasket. Under any circumstances do you use paper gasket.
But at this time we have to because we don't have no clear.
Okay. Because there's no clear gasket, we will use the paper one in its place, but it goes underneath the sink. I don't know if I can get there where your head is. See, right there. It's going to twist on, and you're going to twist it as tight as you possibly can without breaking the nut that's underneath. And as you do this, the putty was going to come out on the sides of the drain basket, excuse me, which can be scraped off. And then after we do that, we will tighten it down even more to make sure the seal is tight and flush and there will be no leaks. Most gaskets come with a rubber gasket and a plastic gasket. This one came with a paper.
Papers I would not do, unfortunately.
Papers we don't recommend, but unfortunately since this job is so late in the evening that we're doing something for someone, okay, now he's using needle nose pliers to hold the basket in place and then tighten the nut underneath. And that's basically how you put a basket correctly in a kitchen sink. Wave your hand, honey.